Rejection is often seen as a setback, but what if we could turn it into a powerful tool for personal growth? In this video, we'll explore how the ancient philosophy of Stoicism, particularly the teachings of Marcus Aurelius, can help us reframe our experiences with rejection. Stoicism encourages us to accept what we cannot control and to focus on our responses instead. By embracing rejection, we can cultivate resilience, learn valuable lessons, and ultimately emerge stronger. Join us as we delve into the insights of Stoicism and discover how to transform rejection into a stepping stone for success. Get ready to shift your perspective and harness the power of rejection. Before we begin, I would appreciate if you would like this video so that you can help me spread the Stoic philosophy. If you are not subscribed, I recommend you to subscribe and activate the bell icon so you don't miss any video. So let us begin with understanding what is rejection. Rejection is the experience of being dismissed or not accepted, and it can manifest in various forms, from personal relationships to professional settings. Whether it's a breakup, a job denial, or social exclusion, rejection can deeply affect our emotional well-being. Psychologically, it often leads to feelings of inadequacy and diminished self-esteem, making us question our worth. However, it's crucial to recognize that rejection is a universal experience. Everyone faces it at some point in their lives. By understanding the nature of rejection and its emotional impact, we can begin to navigate these feelings more effectively and use them as opportunities for growth and resilience. So what is the Stoic perspective on rejection? Marcus Aurelius, a prominent Stoic philosopher, teaches us that adversity, including rejection, is an inevitable part of life. Key Stoic principles emphasize the importance of focusing on what we can control, our thoughts and reactions, while accepting what we cannot. Aurelius believed that rejection should not define us. Instead, it offers a chance to reflect and grow. He famously stated that our perceptions shape our reality, encouraging us to view rejection as a natural occurrence rather than a personal failure. By adopting a Stoic mindset, we can cultivate resilience and inner strength, transforming rejection into a valuable lesson that propels us forward rather than holding us back. Stick to the very end to find out how to overcome rejection and succeed. Rejection as feedback. Rejection can be a powerful form of constructive feedback, offering us valuable insights for personal improvement. Instead of viewing it as a setback, consider it an opportunity for growth. Many successful individuals, like J.K. Rowling and Steve Jobs, faced numerous rejections before achieving their dreams. They used these experiences to refine their skills and approaches. To analyze rejection effectively, take time to reflect on the reasons behind it. Ask yourself what you can learn and how you can adapt moving forward. By embracing rejection as feedback, you can transform it into a stepping stone toward success, ultimately enhancing your resilience and determination in the face of challenges. Detachment from outcomes. One of the key teachings of Stoicism is the practice of detaching from specific outcomes, which can significantly reduce the pain of rejection. By focusing on our efforts rather than the results, we empower ourselves to take action without the fear of failure. This mindset fosters greater resilience, allowing us to bounce back from setbacks with a clearer perspective. When we embrace uncertainty and let go of rigid expectations, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and experiences. Remember, it's not about the outcome but the journey and the lessons learned along the way. By practicing detachment, we can navigate rejection with grace and emerge stronger than before. Building resilience. Building resilience in the face of rejection is essential for personal growth and emotional well-being. Techniques such as mindfulness and self-reflection can help you stay grounded and gain perspective during tough times. Mindfulness encourages you to be present and acknowledge your feelings without judgment, while self-reflection allows you to analyze your experiences and learn from them. Additionally, surrounding yourself with a supportive community can significantly enhance your resilience. Friends, family, or support groups provide encouragement and understanding, reminding you that you're not alone. To strengthen your resilience, practice resilience-building exercises regularly, such as journaling or setting small, achievable goals. These strategies will empower you to face rejection with confidence and grace. Rejection and opportunity. Rejection often serves as a catalyst for new opportunities, leading us down paths we may not have considered otherwise. Many successful individuals, like Oprah Winfrey and Michael Jordan, faced significant rejections before achieving their dreams. Their stories remind us that rejection can be a form of redirection, guiding us toward better-suited opportunities. When one door closes, another often opens, revealing possibilities we might have overlooked. It's essential to remain open and adaptable after experiencing rejection, as it can lead to unexpected and rewarding experiences. Embrace the idea that every setback can be a setup for a comeback, and trust that new opportunities are waiting just around the corner. Embracing vulnerability. Embracing vulnerability in the face of rejection is crucial for personal growth and building deeper connections with others. When we allow ourselves to be open and authentic, we create an environment where genuine relationships can flourish. Sharing our experiences with rejection not only helps us process our feelings, but also encourages others to do the same, fostering a sense of community and understanding. It's important to recognize that vulnerability is not a weakness. Rather, it's a source of strength that allows us to connect on a more profound level. By being honest about our struggles, we pave the way for healing and growth, transforming rejection into an opportunity for deeper connections and self-discovery. Practicing gratitude. Practicing gratitude can significantly shift your perspective on rejection, transforming negative experiences into opportunities for growth. One effective exercise is to take a moment each day to reflect on 3 things you're grateful for, which helps reframe your mindset. By focusing on what you have rather than what you lack, you cultivate a sense of abundance that can counteract feelings of disappointment. Additionally, maintaining a gratitude journal allows you to document your thoughts and feelings, providing a tangible reminder of the positives in your life. This practice not only enhances your emotional resilience, but also encourages a more optimistic outlook, helping you navigate rejection with grace and appreciation for the journey. Transforming rejection into motivation. Rejection can be a powerful catalyst for ambition when we choose to see it that way. Marcus Aurelius once said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." This perspective encourages us to use setbacks as motivation to push forward. After experiencing rejection, take the time to set new goals that align with your passions and aspirations. This proactive approach not only helps you regain focus, but also fuels your determination. Maintaining a positive mindset is crucial. Remind yourself that every rejection is a stepping stone toward success. By transforming rejection into motivation, you can harness your experiences to drive you toward your dreams with renewed vigor. So to conclude in this video, we explored how rejection can be transformed into a powerful tool for personal growth. We discussed the importance of viewing rejection as constructive feedback, embracing vulnerability, and practicing gratitude to shift our perspectives. Adopting a Stoic mindset allows us to focus on what we can control and accept what we cannot, ultimately leading to resilience and new opportunities. Remember, rejection is not the end, but a redirection towards something greater. If you found these insights valuable, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others who may benefit from it. Together, let's continue to learn how to turn rejection into a stepping stone for success.